Hello everyone, once again you welcome to FTGF's weekly market outlook. Okay, what we do is we analyze the market and we share with you potential market moves, which you can use as a guide. And if you look back and look at the weekly outlooks that we've shared so far, you can testify that yes, indeed, we've been putting out some good materials. Sorry. Now, we are using Ingot Brokers platform because Ingot Brokers has been in existence for a very long time, from 2006, multi-regulated offices globally, and the proud partner of La Liga. Okay, now let's delve into it. In our analysis, we would be looking at technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Okay, so we'll delve into all of that. Before, I go into all of these. Mentioning technical analysis, if you're a trader, you are still learning how to trade, you are new or you're a pro trader but you want to explore some trading signals, you can log into your dashboard. Okay, you log into your account, you scroll down, you come down to resources. Okay, so under resources you would see trading signals. Okay, and then these are the trading signals that we have here. Tells you when to enter, when to exit, and all of that. If you are stressing on how finding difficult as to how to use them, you can reach out to me and then I'll assist you. If you're also using an MT5, okay, MT5, you can also access some signals on the MT5. Scroll down, trade, exposure, history, news. Click on news like this, and then news, and then you see all of these trading ideas or trade ideas like Euro USD. Click on it. The nice thing is you see the chart itself, and then you see the directions where their likelihood that price will be moving to. Okay, so when I clicked on Euro USD, this is it. Okay, now that is just by the way. Now let's delve into Ingot Brokers. Like I said, so technical analysis, we will look at that, or we will have that done in our MT5. Fundamental analysis, we are going to look out for some of the events coming up in a week, but remember that fundamental analysis point of view, those trading gold, commodities, and US pairs should be mindful of the conflicts at the moment. Okay, Israel, Iran, and currently what I saw in the news is Donald Trump said he sent some missiles. Okay, so maybe you can read more about that, but that's just by the way, and that falls under fundamental analysis. Okay, now let's look at some of the events that will be coming up in a week, which might affect currencies. Okay, so you visit ingot.io, you scroll up here, come to resource hub, you scroll down, you come to economic calendar. Okay, an economic calendar, it tells you events coming up. Okay, so you scroll down here. Ingot Brokers has them here. Okay, so the dates, today's date is 22nd, so we click on 22nd. Okay, now we need to choose the frame. Okay, the time frame or the duration. Let's say the time frame or the days you would like to check out some of these events. So 22nd to 28th. Okay, I would like to see events coming up or the news coming up. Okay, time GMT is there. I would like to look at high impact news that stand high chances of moving the market. Okay, so high impact, but which countries or which pairs would I want to look at? Click here. I would look at USD pairs, and then I'll look at Canadian dollar. Okay, so if you look at these, it tells you that on 23rd, that is tomorrow, there will be news from the US. When you scroll down to 24th, that is Tuesday, there would be news from Canada, inflation, and inflation is a serious economic indicator that you have to pay very good attention to. So if you are trading Canadian pairs like GBP, CAD, USD, CAD on Tuesday around 12:30 p.m., just be careful. Be careful doesn't mean like once you have your proper risk management measures in place, you don't have any problem. But I should tell you that the market might be volatile around that time. Okay. On the same Tuesday, we have Fed Chair Powell also giving a speech, and whenever this man comes on stage, you have the markets reacting in a certain way because he moves the dollar, let me put it that way. Okay, on 21st we also have news coming up. So in this week we have a lot of news coming up from Canada and US. Okay, so when it comes to the forex bits, I would like to trade USDCAD. Okay, so this is how my trading that's my trading approach. Okay, so you can also follow this. to also use that as educational material. So I look at these events. You go to ingot.io, you go to resources, you go to economic calendar, you look out for the news coming up, and then prepare for them. So in the forex market, I would like to look at USDCAD. Okay. In the commodities markets, I would like to look at gold and US oil. Why? Because of the fights, or the fights between Israel, Iran, and currently US has joined. Okay. And in a crypto market, I would like to look at Bitcoin. Okay, BTC against USD. Now let's move into that quickly. And like I said, forex market, I would like to look at USDCAD. Now, like I said, if you want to access some trading signals, come to news, scroll up, and you have these signals. So this signal tells you that, okay, the chances price will go down, entry, blah blah blah. These are the details for the trading signal. Okay, all right, that's just by the way. So let's do ours too. Let's analyze the market ourselves, and then okay, so I said we would like to look at USDCAD. Why? Because we have news coming out from US, and then we have news coming out from Canada. Okay, now if you look at this closely, you realize that the market has been in a downtrend for some time now. For some time now. Okay, now the downtrend move started from here. Downtrend move started from here, so I picked this arrow, sell, started selling from here. Okay, and then price got rejected at this point, as you can see here, and currently price has broken the downtrend line, as you can see here. Okay, so this tells us that the downtrend, if this breakout is sustained, it tells us that the downtrend has ended and a new trend is forming. And in other words, you can see trend reversal. Okay, so if you are looking out for a buy opportunity, you can place your buy trade and have your stop loss below the downtrend line, and your take profit can go as high up as to this level where the downtrend move started from. Okay, if you are also looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for the price or the candlestick to break this downtrend to the downside, and then you place your sell trade. You have your stop loss above the downtrend line. Okay, so that's for the forex markets. We looked at USDCAD. Market has been trending down for some time now. This is our reference. Price got rejected here, and we have the downtrend line broken to the upside. If you are looking out for a buy opportunity, you can place your buy trade, have your stop loss below the downtrend line. Take profit can go as high as to this level. It all depends on your risk appetite and how much you want as a profit. And you have your stop loss there. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for this downtrend line to be broken or candlestick breaks it to the downside, and then you place your sell trade. Okay, now let's move into the crypto market. Okay, we are going to look at BTCUSD. Okay, so if you pay very close attention to it, you realize that the price has also been in an uptrend for some time now. Okay, so you take our uptrend line, we use this as our reference. Okay, and then we have our uptrend line neatly drawn. Okay, now you would realize that this being our reference, this is where the uptrend move started, and at this point the price got rejected here. Okay, moment got rejected here, and price went up again, it got rejected here. But as we can see, price has broken the uptrend line to the downside, as we can see here. Okay, let me point the arrow there, as we can see here. Okay, so if you are looking out for a sell opportunity, you can place your sell trade, have your stop loss above the uptrend line. If you are looking out for, and then your take profit can go as down as low as where we had the uptrend move starting. Okay, if you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, a buy opportunity, you can wait for the candlestick to break this uptrend line to the upside. You place your buy trade and ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Now, in the commodities market, I would like us to have a good look at gold. Okay, gold, because there's a lot of chaos in the world at the moment. So if you look at it closely as well, you would realize that price has been in an uptrend. Gold also has been in an uptrend for some time now. Now, if you look at this closely, the uptrend started from here, okay, and then price moved up to an extent, and then it pulled back to this point where it had a figure because it looked like, or it broke the uptrend line and then rejected it again. Okay, it wasn't sustained, so price kept moving up, and then it got to this point. That's just last week, okay, where price has gotten rejected by the uptrend line again. So if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in gold, you can place your buy trade, have your stop loss below the uptrend line. If you're also looking out for opportunity, let's say a sell opportunity, you can wait for the candlestick to break the uptrend line to the downside. And in all of these, ensure you have your stop loss or take profit, because they form part of your risk management measures. Okay, oil, okay, oil too, you can see that price has broken the resistance. Okay, so this was the previous highest price, this point, and then it got broken. Sorry, okay, here, let me put it out here. It got broken here, okay, pulled back down. I mean, that was the resistance. It got broken, became the support, and the support got broken again, and then price has moved back into that range. Okay, so if you look at it closely, you realize that price is still above that previous resistance. Okay, so if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in the oil, or if you're trading oil and you are looking out for a buy opportunity, once you have the price above this resistance, you can place a buy trade and have your stop loss below the resistance, which is broken now. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for this support to get broken to the downside. Then you have your stop loss above it and take profit below it. And like I always say, in everything that you do, ensure that you have proper risk management measures in place in order to keep you in the market for a very long time for opportunities and for you to take up other opportunities. Okay. If you are looking to, let's say, copy trades, okay, you need to trade, you want to copy trades, you scroll down here, you come to copy trading. You can take your time for the page to load. You can become a follower or a provider. People copy from you as a provider. Follower people also, you follow people's trades. So you look at these performances. Which of them do you like? You can just click on here. Look at the portfolio. Okay, here, click on profile. Okay, and you look at all the things that the person is doing. And if you are cool and interested in that, you can copy the person's trade. Once again, thank you very much for watching our videos. Subscribe to this channel. Reach out if you want more explanation. Enjoy our free webinars. Thank you. Bye-bye.